So these plant rings are made of 100% natural coconut fiber. So they are definitely very thin and lightweight and very breathable for your plant. I got the 11.8-inch ones in the 3-pack because I want to use these to keep my cat out of my house plants. She's been jumping in there and trying to dig around and trying to go to the bathroom in my house plants, the bigger ones. So I got these to place over the top of the soil in order to keep her out of there, and it is really working. So I could choose to trim this a little bit to fit exactly into this black pot, but I kind of like it leaning over the side like this. Just makes it a little bit harder for her to climb in there. She still does, but she doesn't get very far. She tries to dig in here, but it completely blocks her from the soil, and then she gives up. I love that it has these cutouts so you can kind of customize it and have it fit to your plant. And you can also cut this to the exact size and specifications that you need. If you needed a bigger hole, you could cut it open, but again, it does flare up a little bit if you need it to, which is really helpful. I totally overlap this one to make it fit a little bit tighter in this pot, and it just completely covers the soil. And it's super easy to take off again if you need to take it off to check your soil. There are lots of different uses for these, but again, they're working perfectly for me to keep my cat from digging in the soil and using it as a restroom.